Hello, amazing world. Carolyn Castillo with Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today we're located at the gorgeous St. Augustine Shores. Let's go take a look at this house. Hi guys, welcome. Come on in. So you're gonna absolutely love this property. As I mentioned, we are in St. Augustine Shores. Now you may be thinking, wow, what a grand property. This living room, this family room, look at the ceilings, the pillars. This is not your typical St. Augustine Shores property. This house was built in the 2000s and it's beautiful, nice and modern and glamorous. So what I love about it is that it has a traditional feeling. So you still have your traditional family room right here. You've got a traditional dining room right here, and then you have an amazing floor plan. So you're gonna have your master bedroom here, the kitchen on this side, and the rest of the bedrooms. So let's start taking a tour on this. So right here, and I love it, the fact that the master bedroom is private on the side away from the other bedrooms. The other great thing about this master suite is that you have access to the patio right from the master bedroom. So in the morning, you wanna have your coffee, your tea, you wanna have a little smoke or a cigarette. In the evening time, you just open right here, go right out to your patio. It's very, very private, and it's like your own part of the house. Now you do have a master bathroom, which does have a full walk-in closet. You have a separate vanity with an additional linen closet, private commode, a beautiful soaking bath. I love these. You can't even buy these anymore. They're huge. And then you also have a very large stand-in shower in very good condition, neutral colors. Now, this house hasn't been updated like 2023, but it is still in very good condition. And when you walk through, you just feel so grand. And you've got these archways, you've got the tall ceilings, you've got the hi-hats. I mean, there's so many great things about this house. Now come into the kitchen. Now, when this house was built, the owner had actually purchased the land and then got a developer to make the house exactly how he wanted it. So I love the fact that he chose to do an island in the kitchen. For entertaining, you can have all the food here for parties, gatherings, and this kitchen, again, not 2023 updated, but these are real wood cabinets. They're in very good condition. So if you wanted to paint these, stain these, the handles are very nice. They have a black appliances here, which is a great touch. And this is just a beautiful open area. This is one of my favorite parts, is this beautiful seamless glass, okay? So as you can see, you get this very grand view of the patio, of, imagine having like a circular table right here, eating breakfast with your family in the kitchen, in the family room. It's just such a great floor plan. Now, you do have a very beautiful area for a fireplace, which is not there, okay? But guess what? You can buy one on Amazon, okay? So it would be a beautiful place to gather, have your couch. You have access to go out to the patio. And then this side of the house is where the rest of the rooms are. So let's go take a look at these. Now you are gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom here. Each of the rooms do have a modern wood tile floor. You've got mirrored closet doors, which makes the room bigger, beautiful windows and a ceiling fan. And this one is pretty much exactly the same. In this house, you've got great windows, you've got great air conditioning, you've got even a great roof. So there's not much you have to do when you purchase this property. This is a guest, and also for this bedroom, you've got the vanity, toilet, stand-up shower, and access to the outside. So if one day you do create a pool or a really nice outside area, your guests can use the pool cabana bath. So let's go upstairs and see the secret room, okay? Let's go up and check it out. So we are here, and this is an enormous room. I hope the camera can really bring it in of how big this room is. It's gotta be at least 600 square feet up here, and you can use this for whatever you wanna use it for. So if this wants to be like a little efficiency, if this wants to be a home office, if this wants to be a nursery, a playroom, a craft room, I mean, there's so much space. You have beautiful natural light from the window. There is a wall unit here, but there is central AC in this room. So sometimes you see that and you say, is there central AC in that house? Yes, there is. This is just additional. So guess what? In Florida, we have hurricanes. If you lose power, you could actually hook that up to a generator and this room would be amazing. So let's go downstairs and let me show you the best part of the house. Okay, so now my favorite part. Let's go take a look. So as I showed you in the video, you have 3 massive sliding glass doors. You have one right off of the family room, you have one off of the formal living area, and you have one off of the master bedroom, okay? Now this is an immense space, patio space, and if you're not from Florida, you know what this is called? A Florida room, okay? Now the beautiful part of living in St. Augustine is that it's not hot all year long, okay? So in the winter months, in the spring months, you can have all these windows open. You can even see the wind blowing in here, but you just literally close this or you open it and it's a beautiful breeze that can flow through your entire house. This is one of the best parts of the house. I love it. So let me go show you the outside. Now, the really cool thing about this property is that we are located on a corner lot, okay? So real estate, prime real estate is always on a corner lot. The lot is also so big that you really don't feel confined like you have a bunch of neighbors. So you have no neighbors on the left and you have no neighbors behind you. Now, something interesting about this property is that right behind here is a utility easement for the power lines. Now, what I've seen a lot of the neighbors doing, if you look at the other lots, so when you come to view this property, make sure that you go on the other side of the fence. They've actually extended the fence out. So you can use this place for your boat, your RV. Do you have a company that has work trucks, landscaping, trailers? The great thing is there's no HOA here. So if there's no HOA and you've got plenty of space to expand, this is the perfect yard for you. It's a very big yard and it's almost fully fenced. You only need 2 fences right in the front, okay? So let's go ahead and come inside. Now, one of the awesome things is I hope whoever buys this house does have a boat, okay? Because you are located in the neighborhood St. Augustine South. Now, St. Augustine South is located right on a park, on a beautiful waterway. And this park, if you go down there right now, you're gonna see people riding their bikes, rollerblading, walking, kids in strollers. It's gorgeous. And this is literally a walk right down the street from your house. So if you have a boat, you literally take your boat right over there, dock your boat, go out for the day, have an amazing day on the water, bring your boat right back to your house, park it, clean it up, call it a day. So this house is amazing. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I can't wait for you to come take a tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.